girl. Tell your mama, tell your friends, tell your auntie, tell your uncle that EXO is back. But from what I've seen, like in the whether it be an article or just like through the word of mouth, no CBX, no Chen, Baekhyun, Xiumin, but we have Suho, Sehun, Chanyeol, Do, Kai, and Lay. And this is called I'm Home. Oh my god, I'm about to cry, I bet. And this is like winter. Listen, EXO and Christmas, like their ballads, Christmas albums, R&B ballads, EXO. Oh my god, their vocals. I don't know if I'm ready for this, because just growing up with EXO, just watching them over the years, the albums, amazing songs, I keep on repeat, bro. To this day, I don't think I'm ready. I really don't think I'm ready. Before we start, be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. You could subscribe for $1 or join for free, because there's free content out there too. I Twitch live stream video games, K-pop, anime, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube shorts, all of that. Go support your boy. Be sure to like this video before we start. And in 3, 2, 1. Like the captions on? Yeah. Oof, off the bat with the vocals. Off the... Oh, I got chills, y'all. Oh my god. Goosebumps. Oh. Kai. 얕은 언어로 나의 맘을 담긴 모자라 지난 겨울에 얼었던 굳어버렸던 시계 초침이 다 녹으면 난 너에게로 돌아올 거라 Find your way back to you. 이상하지 보면서도 왠지 꿈만 같은 느낌 너와 내가 이렇게 함께라는 게 작은 소원이 허락되는 계절 Baby I'm home 너의 곁에 Dio's vocals too, my god. Slay. Drink that water, king. Oh, the powers. Wait. Cause you're my home to stay. Damn, y'all. You make me believe in miracles, Chanyeol. They all look so good still. They're gonna look good for the next 20 years. Oh? Yeah, no? 여기 우릴 다시 이끈 건 우릴 부른 건 너와 내가 가진 힘인걸 널 알아챌 수 있어 멀리 있어도 You can find me even if I'm far away. Noted. Ooh, artiste. 서로의 눈을 맞춘 채 작은 소원이 허락되는 계절 They're making it their home. 언젠가 약속했듯이 아주 오래 Wow. Oh, that reminds me of Sethura. If you know, you know. Oh. That reminds me of Arthur meme. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Wow. Woo. Okay, take me to church. Whew. So they literally are in like the universe, because you see like the isn't it like I don't know that Saturn ring, 30 years SM. There's so much more to come out. I know that. And I don't know if y'all are ready. Like, I don't think I'm ready at all. Put a comment down below how you guys are feeling. How are you feeling? Let me know. Like, explain your feels of how just seeing their faces again. And just want to know where your head's at. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Patreon. I do Twitch live streams, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Link in the description down below. Be sure to join our Discord. Also, I'm no longer on, I don't really like using Twitter anymore, so I use Blue Sky. Be sure to follow me there. Well, I'm gonna go, and I'll see you guys to the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.